If you've ever heard an advanced vocabulary word being used and not sure what it means, you're not alone. To better understand people who are supercilious, that means when someone thinks they're better than you are and trying to talk over your head, or are obfuscating the message, that means they're trying to hide the real meaning of what they're saying, takes a larger and more complex vocabulary of advanced words to increase your ability to truly understand what they're saying and what they mean. One of those words is preponderance. A basic meaning of preponderance is when there is a majority, superiority, or an excess amount of evidence, quantity, influence, or power. When there is a preponderance of evidence against someone in a legal matter, that means there is a greater than 50% chance that the claim is true and further proceedings could and probably will continue. Another example of preponderance is when there is more of one type of a thing in a group, say apples to oranges. Similar words or synonyms for preponderance are supremacy, dominance, distinction, pervasiveness, prevalence, frequency, majority, lion's share, importance, noteworthy, influence, numerous, overwhelming number, and abundance. Other word forms from preponderance that also is a noun are preponderant, that's an adjective, and preponderantly, that is an adverb. I'm going to skip the antonyms or opposite words of preponderance and get right into how preponderance is used in a sentence. But a quick favor. If you find that I'm providing and influencing you with a preponderance of value with this video, I would truly appreciate if you could take 2 seconds to show your support by smashing the thumbs up and consider subscribing to Keeping Up with Learning More Words that are designed to increase your understanding and use of advanced words that also have great meaning and are fun to learn and use in conversations, videos, and presentations. Thanks. Here's a few sentences of how preponderance and its word forms are used in a sentence. The special counsel's investigation concluded that there was an overwhelming preponderance of evidence to proceed with indictments against the organization. The preponderance of data from the investigation shows beyond a reasonable doubt that it would be a waste of time and money to proceed further. Based on the preponderance of evidence gathered at the time and years of lawsuits and attempts to censor the data, we're now starting to see what really happened. According to the latest polls, there was a preponderance of respondents who stated empathetically that they were voting against any and all politicians who supported the mandates. The teacher explained to the student that the preponderant amount of grammatical mistakes in the essay was the main reason for the lower grade. The scholarships will go preponderantly to students who have higher levels of advanced word use and grammatical skills. The best way to learn more about advanced vocabulary words is to learn and start using at least 1 to about 3 words a week, so you're not overwhelmed with a preponderance of new words, and then start using them in conversation as soon and as often as possible. Also, if you see or hear a word that's new, confusing, or not familiar, send it to me through the link in the description below. Remember that my goal is to provide you with a preponderance of words for success that you can quickly learn to use in school, work, and throughout all areas of your life to be better informed and be able to communicate at a higher level. I'll see you online soon.